Hey there! Welcome viewers tuning in. Here is what's happening in this video. 15 minus 15, which equals 0, times 15 minus 15 equals 0. Now we have this problem. 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication. 15 times 15 equals 225. So we have 15 minus 225 minus 15, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 15 minus 225, which equals minus 210. So we have minus 210 minus 15, which equals minus 225. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.